Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system and app readiness. Check Mac OS and Logic Pro X are up to date, and quit other audio apps. Next, open Logic's preferences and raise the I/O buffer to 256 or 512 samples. This reduces CPU spikes that cause pops. Make sure the correct audio interface and sample rate are selected to avoid mismatches. Once done, disable any unnecessary input channels and mute external hardware returns. This narrows the problem and gives you a stable baseline to work from. Now you isolate the culprit. Start by toggling multithreading and process buffer settings in project settings. Some combos introduce clicks. Then, bypass plugins one track at a time while monitoring the CPU and I/O meter so you can see when the popping stops. Make a new empty project using the same interface and sample rate. If the pops disappear, the issue is project-specific, likely a plugin or automation spike. If pops persist, focus on the interface driver, cables, or Mac OS audio conflicts. To resolve, update or disable the problematic plugin or freeze the track to remove real-time processing. That fixes many pops. Make sure low latency mode is enabled when tracking, and increase the I/O buffer for mixing. Update or reinstall your audio interface drivers and try different USB or Thunderbolt cables. Intermittent hardware faults often sound like popping. If things still go wrong, reset Logic preferences and test in another Mac OS user account to rule out system-level conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.